So hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your marketing content in a few clicks by using a new application which is called WriterArc. I'm going to show you this application, that what is it and how it works, etc. But before I do, I want to mention that there is a link below this video. When you click that link, you will be redirected to the official website, and if you decide to pick up this product from my link, then you will be able to get my awesome and premium bonuses as well for free. Now, how to take bonuses, where to take them, all the further details are mentioned in the description box, so make sure you check out that. So now let's dive right into it and let me show you what exactly WriterArc is and how it works. So WriterArc is a breathtaking AI-based content creator that smartly creates any type of marketing content for any local or online niche with just a click of button. So as you know that by the end of 2022, traffic over fresh and trending content will be above 70% of all internet traffic across the world. Content will definitely dominate the internet. Blogs and social media content will be primary medium for how internet users will consume information. But the problem is writing high converting, engaging, fresh and SEO friendly content. It's not an easy task at all, especially when you have no copywriting skills and experience. It requires a deep understanding of marketing, a need to understand your audience, and a time consuming process. And that's why WriterArc comes to solve this huge problem. WriterArc is a super powerful AI technology content creation app where you can create your high convertible content in few clicks. So as you can see, we are on the preview sales page of WriterArc, and here you can see you can generate real human-like content, create top converting copies. Super powerful AI engines works in 35 plus languages and 22 plus tones, and advanced copywriting templates in 50 plus use cases. So if we come down below, you can see all the feature and benefits of using WriterArc. Here you can see a 10x faster and easier way to generate killer content effortlessly, loaded with 36 plus preferred business niches, so you don't have to hassle with finding keywords and the right descriptions. An AI writing assistant that helps you create high quality content in just a few seconds. You can use this standard copywriting features like AIDA and PAS to provide top converting outputs, powered by the state-of-art language AI to generate unique, original and search engines optimized content for almost any vertical. 100% cloud-based software, 50 plus use case based templates, fast and responsive, and 100% mobile friendly software. Choose from 30 plus languages to write in your own or other languages for your clients. So if you are an agency owner, you can also use this software for your clients as well. Download all your projects in PDF and Word formats. Write every content with the right emotions through 22 plus tones of voices. 100% newbie friendly and need no prior skills, no installations and no technical hassles. So these are the all feature and benefits you will receive after purchasing the WriterArc. So if you want my opinion, this application is fully recommended from my side. The application vendor is also very loyal and trusted. They have launched too many successful products as well, and this is another one. If you are struggling to make high converting content for your business, this application will definitely help you. And another thing is you can use this application to create content for yourself, or you can easily tap into the huge content writing service selling industry right from the comfort of your home. You can help local businesses to get great ROI with their digital marketing and make a sustainable income stream. You can literally create highly engaging marketing content on your own and start an online business today or for local clients without any tech hassles or specialized skills. Even better, you won't go bankrupt in the process by hiring money-sucking copywriting experts. So yeah, you can also gather more information about this product on their sales page. I have mentioned the sales page link in the description box, so you can check out that. And the last decision is yours. If you think that this software fulfills your need, so just grab this software at the cheapest launch price, because as you keep delaying, the price of the software will keep increasing. Now if I talk about pricing of this software, so you can get WriterArc for a low one-time price with no monthly fees. So WriterArc offers you two purchasing options, WriterArc Start and WriterArc Commercial. And the most valuable and effective package is the WriterArc Commercial, because in this package you will receive commercial rights as well as more value compared to the WriterArc. And you can see all the benefits are mentioned there. You can compare them both. But the bad thing is, with the WriterArc Start package, you will not receive any bonuses from the WriterArc site. So that's the bad thing about the WriterArc. They should give bonuses to both of them. So WriterArc Start will cost you $24 and WriterArc Commercial will cost you $27. And you will also get an extra 10% discount to apply the coupon which I have mentioned in the description box. So don't forget to apply that coupon in order to get an extra 10% discount. And I suggest you should go with WriterArc Commercial package, because you will receive more value and benefits in this package. And yeah, that's all I have to say about this application. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and again there is a link in the description box, so don't forget to check out that. If you decide to purchase WriterArc, then I am going to give you some awesome and premium bonuses as well for free. So don't purchase this product without my custom bonuses. And if you would like to follow me, then make sure to subscribe my channel to also get future updates about other products that are being launched every single day. So that's all I have to say about this software. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.